Hi Scorpios, welcome back to 777 Cosmic Tarot. Guys, this is going to be your love reading. This reading is for anybody that is watching this video right now or is drawn to this video. Okay, you could be somebody who has Scorpio in your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. You could be a cross watcher or someone with some other sun sign who is drawn to this video right now intuitively. Go with your heart. If your heart says yes, this is your reading, then definitely you may have a message here. Okay guys, please keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For accurate readings, you can book your personal readings with me. My website address is mentioned here on the screen. All right, so you can also connect to me on my Instagram. The link is given below in the description box. Guys, I would want to tell you one thing before I start, that I post videos in English and Hindi, both the languages, in the same channel. So don't ever get confused if you see a video in Hindi. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what's coming up for you in love, Scorpios, and those of you who are watching this video. Alright, we'll see your person's energy, your energy, and what's coming up for you next in your love life. Alright, so we'll see what's happening. What's happening? Okay, these two cards popped together. I'll take both. Four of Pentacles and Wheel of Fortune. Four of Pentacles and Wheel of Fortune. Okay, what else? Magician. Okay, these two cards, Star and the Judgment together. Okay, the third is Seven of Cups in reverse. All right, okay, let me see if I get it back. The Chariot. Okay, oh my god, I've got three cards exactly. I'll take, so this is one, this is two, the Lovers. Third was, I think I'll have to take this, the King of Cups. Let's see what else. Knight of Cups and King of Swords reverse. What else? What else do we have for my Scorpios? Oh my god, Queen of Swords. Alright. So, Nine of Pentacles, Page of Wands. I think these two cards, the Hermit in reverse, Six of Cups in reverse, and bottom of the deck is Eight of Swords. Okay, so Scorpios, what do I see right now? I hope you can see all the cards. Let me keep this properly so that you can view all of them. Scorpios, as far as your current energies are concerned, I feel that you guys are focused on work right now, like looking for new business opportunities, new business avenues. So maybe there is a proposal that has come your way. You may have to accept it, or somebody could have offered you partnership, some sort of partnership, like somebody wants to partner with you, or somebody wants to somebody has approached you for some work, but you are not yet sure whether to get into that or not. Like you are holding back, like there is an offer that's in your hand right now, but you still want to do some ref check, or you want to be sure before you proceed towards this new offer, or before you accept this new offer, something like this. Okay, so as far as your love life is concerned, I feel that you guys are focusing on your career. Not that you don't love your person, yes, you have love for this person, but your main focus is career right now. Some of you, this relationship when it started, you were not very sure about this person, you just went with the flow, you had left it to destiny, you didn't know where is it going to head in the future. All right, so I think you guys are in a good space compared to your person. You guys are in a much better space, like you don't know where is this relationship heading to, but you guys are going with the flow. Yes, you have a lot of love for this person, you feel that this person is somebody, you know, they have a charming personality, you view this person as a star, immense love, no doubt, no doubt. I think of lately what has happened is you feel overburdened in this relationship, Scorpios. I see you overburdened in this relationship, Scorpios. Okay, like you have love, I'm not saying immense love for this person, but somehow I see you overburdened with the pressure. Could be that you are handling two things at the same time. I feel that you guys are handling two things parallelly. It is like you are having the pressure of your person, your love life, and the career. Like it is becoming very difficult for you to handle both the things at the same time. So I see a lot of pressure, like responsibilities. Some of you, you have some heavy responsibilities on your shoulder. You feel like, you know, you're already overburdened, because of which you may not be focusing so much in your love life right now. Okay, that is one. I feel, guys, that your relationship, when it started, this relationship just started randomly. I don't know, I think some of you this relationship was never sure, like you both just kept going along in this relationship. You both were not very sure about each other when it started. For some of you, I feel that your person is somebody who may have literally prayed to have you in their life. Like that is when you both connected with each other. This person literally had prayed to have a person like you, and which is why you both came together. Like I think when it started, it was very random. You'd never thought that you guys will connect one day on a soul level. So it is that kind, like you just went along and somehow you both connected. It was that kind of relationship. So somehow when this relationship started, it was like a dream come true for both of you. All right, for both of you, it was like a dream come true. Of lately, what I see is, you know what, guys, I feel that you both, somehow I feel that this is a new relationship. Like you are a new person for this person. Whoever you're dealing with, you are a new partner for this person, whoever you are dealing with. Okay, so maybe this person may have ended a relationship when you met this person, that your person was going through some ending when they met you, or this person may have just gotten out of a breakup when they met you, something like this. So you are a new person in your person's life for sure. So let's see, what is your person thinking about you. This person is I think you are dealing with somebody who may have distanced themselves from you. Okay, but somehow this is temporary. All right, this is temporary. Let me see, what are their feelings. They love you a lot. This person has immense love for you. What are they feeling? Devil in reverse. You know what I see? I feel that this person feels that they are over attached to you. Why do we have the devil? Devil in reverse. Let's see, why do we have the devil here? Why do we have the devil? Okay, the world in reverse. You know what, guys? I feel that you're dealing with somebody. As I said, this person has been angry with you. They may have distanced themselves. This person is angry on you for something. I don't know. It could be anything. Something has happened between both of you. This person is upset over that situation. Now, that situation could be that this person feels that you don't spend enough time with this person, number one. Number two could be that they may have told you something like they want to go out, they want to travel with you, they may have planned something and things are not working as per how they had planned with you, because of which this person is angry. Could be that you guys are not spending enough time with this person. That could be one thing. This person is angry, all right, but this is like somebody who is very cute. Even if they are angry, I see love. Okay, I see love. High Priestess, King of Wands, and Nine of Swords. You know what has happened is, guys, this person is haunted by negative thoughts right now. They are juggling between many things at this moment. So they are not happy in their life right now. Could be going through a lot internally. They are having sleepless nights over you. Some of you, if this person is not talking to you, I see that yes, this person may have been angry on you for something. They are going to come and talk. Okay, we have the High Priestess, King of Wands, and Nine of Swords. This person is thinking on what to do. This person is confused between two things, like they think positive as well as negative, as far as this connection is concerned, as far as you are concerned. Okay, this person is like thinking a lot about you, thinking a lot, thinking about all the good times that they have spent with you. You know what, I feel you both are going to sort it out very soon. Very soon. I don't know, this person is seeking some clarity. I don't know why this person feels that you are hiding something. Okay, Scorpio, some of you, I feel that your person feels that you have some secrets, like, and I do see, now this is not for all of you, but for some of you, I feel that you are holding on to some secrets. You have some secrets that you may want to tell this person, or you may not want to tell this person. Depends. It's a general reading, different for different of you. But I do see that you guys are holding on to some secrets, and maybe this person has a hint about it, like they do doubt that you are holding some information to yourself. That could also be the thing why this person is having sleepless nights over you. They are juggling between two thoughts. At times they feel that no, you will never hide anything from them. But then the next second they are like, no, maybe my Scorpio is hiding things from me. Maybe my Scorpio is keeping some secret. Maybe something is hidden from me. So this person is thinking a lot over that. Alright, at the same time, this person is missing you. Like, yes, this person is missing you. They have immense love for you, no doubt. They may show that they are angry on you temporarily, or they may have distanced themselves from you. I don't see separation. You know what, Scorpios, I don't see separation in this reading. I don't see that something is major between both of you. Whatever is happening between both of you, it's minor. I don't see a major issue in this reading. One thing, you know what, you guys are too new in each other's life. Okay, maybe you are a new person in your person's life. This person may have met you after a breakup, or while they are going through a breakup. Could be anything, but you are a new person, so this person needs time to know you. Okay, so they are suspicious, they suspect that you're hiding things, they want clarity in this relationship. Why do we have the Eight of Cups? We'll see. Why do we have the Eight of Cups? Why do we have the Eight of Cups? Okay, King of Cups and Five of Cups. See, what did I say? I don't know why I feel, guys, that you are a new person in this person's life. Maybe this person has had a breakup in the past, or this person left somebody, or this could be a divorce. They may have gone through a divorce before meeting you, they may have gone through a breakup before meeting you. You know what is happening, guys? This person at times, they are stuck with their ex. All right, whoever you are dealing with, this person is stuck in the memories of their ex. So at times they feel that their ex did so much for them, their ex loved them so much, so they are missing their ex because they don't see the same kind of love from your end, or they don't see the same kind of transparency with you. They are missing their ex. Like at times they feel, I wish I would have my ex with me, I wish I can go back to my ex. So these are their feelings. Like it so happens that sometimes when you break up with somebody or you're separated from somebody, you miss a person, you know, you're emotionally connected to somebody. It just doesn't happen in a day. Okay, so things may have ended in your person's life, like with their karmic, but this person is still missing that person or thinking about the memories that they have spent with their ex. So because of which this person is not giving their 100% to you at this moment. Plus the second thing is, because this is a complete new relationship, I don't know, in this reading, I don't know why I feel that most of you, this is a new person. Like your person has met you recently. Now this could be in the last 1-2 years, you may have just met each other in the last 1-2 years, 6 months, 3 months, could be anything different for different of you. So this person is somebody who is still stuck thinking about an ex, and I think their ex was very emotional. They used to do a lot for this person, and on the other hand they are not seeing that love with you. Like they want you to be exactly like their ex, at least they expect. Okay, not that then they are demanding. No, I don't say that this person is demanding, no, not at all. But then they miss that companionship, or they're still struggling to get out of their ex, you know. So this person is in that phase. You see Five of Cups with the King of Cups, this person is still missing their ex. Look at this, they are with you but still struggling, thinking about an ex that they have left, or they are in separation with, could be anything. So at times this person feels like going back to this ex at times. Okay, Eight of Cups. So they feel that I think my ex was better than the Scorpio. I think my ex loved me more than Scorpio. So these are just their thoughts. So this is temporary. This person is juggling between two things. Maybe some of you, I think this person is still involved in a karmic, could be still involved in a karmic, which is why this person is not giving you their 100%. Okay, which is why this person is not giving you their 100%. This person is confused, like they are having this mixed emotions. Like, you know, at times they feel like being with you, at times they feel like going back to their karmic or their ex, whoever they were involved with in the past, or they are still involved with. So they're not sure about you, that's the only thing. Yes, love is there. This person is somebody who may have prayed to have you in their life. Okay, for some of you, I feel that this person, like you met each other in the past, you got separated, but then again you came back. That could also be the thing. Like, you know, it is like a divine connection that has brought you both together again. That could be the thing, Scorpio, here. All right, so this person has love. I think this person needs time to fall in love with you. Okay, this person needs time to fall in love with you the way you love them. Yes, I see that you have immense love for this person, Scorpios. I don't doubt it even 1%. You have immense love for this person. I see you madly in love with this person. Okay, you're waiting for this person to come to you. You're waiting for this person to give you the 100%, Scorpios. So that is one thing I see. This person is stuck in their life, Scorpio, somewhere. They're going through all these mixed emotions, like they're getting separated from a karmic, or they may have just had a breakup with that person. I don't know, could be anything. So this person is still stuck on that person, their memories. They have immense love for you. In fact, they have been praying to have you in their life. I don't doubt that this person is still praying that you should be there with them. But because sometimes it takes time for a person to come out of a relationship completely. So I feel that this person is somehow still connected with somebody else, energetically, emotionally. They're still connected to somebody else, okay, which is why they are not paying attention to you, like that complete undivided attention that you need from this person. You don't have that right now, okay. So let's see what is the Scorpio thinking. Sorry, let's see what's your person thinking about you, Scorpios. What do they want from you? 3 cards. Oh my god. 9 of Wands, 7 of Pentacles, the Moon. See, I just said this person, you know what guys, this person has immense love for you. I said it, but they somehow, they know, I don't know why this person, I feel that you're dealing with somebody who doubts a lot. This person suspects that you are hiding something from them. This person doesn't trust you completely, Scorpio, okay. They have faith in you. I'm not saying they don't have faith in you. They have faith in you. But I don't know what has transpired between you both. This person does doubt on you at times. They don't doubt that you're cheating on them. No, I don't say that. But yet this person needs some clarity. Maybe they want to know you more. They want to explore more. They also, as I said, this person tries to compare you with somebody else. Like this could be their karmic, this could be their ex. So I feel that whoever they were dealing with, okay, this was a King of Cups or Queen of Cups, whoever they were dealing with or they are dealing with karmically, could be an ex or a spouse, could be that they are divorced from this person, could be anything. This person showered a lot of love on them in the past. So this person tries to compare you with that person, like they want the same love from you, which is missing in this relationship. They are not getting that same love from you. See, no two person will love you the same way, okay. So maybe the person that they were involved with, they used to give them a lot of love, they were very expressive. At the same time, you could be lesser expressive, or I don't see you lesser expressive. Let me see your readings, let me see your energies later. But somehow they miss that love that they had with somebody else, okay. So they are trying to compare you with that person. They want the same love from you also. Like this person is like a child. They are sort of attention seeker. I'm not saying in a bad way, like in a cute way, okay. This person feels that now these are their feelings. This person is overthinking right now, okay, overthinking a lot. I don't know why. I think you'll have to literally open up. You'll have to talk to this person. You'll have to make this person comfortable. I don't know, you're dealing with somebody who takes a lot of time to fall in love, or this person could be somebody who takes a lot of time to trust somebody, okay. Maybe this person has had some childhood issues, or they may have been betrayed by many people in the past. So this person is somebody who doesn't trust people easily, which is why they are not ready to open up to you. This person is wounded. You see the 9 of Wands. This person has been wounded before in the past, could be by many people. Somebody may have betrayed them, cheated them, I don't know, because of which this person is taking a lot of time to open up with you right now, okay. So that is one thing that I see. This person needs love, Okay, this is what they want. As I don't know why I feel this person has a childlike personality. They need a lot of love. They want to see that with you. All right, they don't see that thing with you. Okay, so and plus, as I said, this person suspects that you are hiding something, like you may have a secret, you're having some secrets, you don't tell them anything. This person feels that you don't open up, you keep things to your heart, you don't open up. So that is also something that's bothering this person. Let's see what are your feelings towards them. Let's see your energies now. We'll see your energies. We'll see your energies. Okay, Ace of Cups, Death, Eight of Pentacles and Strength. This is in reverse. Death is in reverse, Ace of Pentacles and Strength. You know what has happened, guys? Okay, you have immense love for this person, no doubt, no doubt, but you somehow you're finding it very difficult to invest the way this person wants you to invest in this relationship. Like, you're not used to giving so much love to somebody when it's a complete new relationship. Okay, so I feel that you're finding it very difficult to handle this person. All right, you feel that you've tried so much, you've I don't see you even trying. Let me be honest, Scorpios, I don't see you even putting in efforts to handle this person. I don't say you don't love them, no, you have love for them, no doubt, no doubt, you have immense love for this person, but somehow you feel that things with this person, they're difficult right now, and you're not ready to invest on this person right now. As I said, some of you, your focus is career. Okay, your focus is career. You know that your relationship needs a revival. You know that you have to invest. Like, look at this, Ace of Cups, Eight of Pentacles and the Death here. Death is in reverse. Okay, you know that you fear losing this person, Scorpio. You fear losing this person, so you want a fresh new start with this person. You want things to get better between both of you. I don't see any major issues between both of you. It's just that you both are not spending time with each other, and you both are not speaking your heart out to each other, which is why you have a lot of misunderstandings between both of you. Okay, your person needs a lot of love. They want you to be expressive, whereas you are somebody who is holding on to your emotion. You are not willing to open up, or you could be showing that you love them, but not to an extent that they want you to open up. Okay, so that is one thing here. And in some cases, guys, I feel that you guys are focused on career. Like, you are choosing career first. That is something I see over this person. Like, maybe you're going through some financial stress, you have a lot of pressure, a lot of responsibilities, Scorpios, right now. So it is not intentional. You don't want to avoid this person. No, I'm not saying no that you are avoiding them. No, not at all. It's just that you have a lot of responsibility, which is because of which you're not paying attention to this person the way they want you to in this relationship. Okay, and also you feel that you don't have enough time to put up to their demands, put up to their needs, desires. You can't invest so much on this person. I mean, you're doing your best. I see you doing your best in this relationship with this person, but I feel that your person is somebody who wants more of you. They're not happy with whatever you are giving in this relationship. They want more. They want your undivided attention. They could be somebody who's very possessive. I don't know, I think you're dealing with somebody who's very possessive about you. They want your undivided attention. Okay, so that is something I see. So yes, you want a fresh start with this person. You want a new beginning. You guys are going to work it out. I see you both having some heart to heart conversations very soon. Okay, you both, I think this person has also made up their mind, you also have made up your mind. Very soon, it's going to happen in the next few days. You both will sort it out. I don't see any major issues here, Scorpios. Okay, eight of, oh my god, see, eight of swords, eight of swords. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh my god, look, these cards just popped. Some of you could be that, see, we have the three of pentacles, we have the star, ace of beginning, ace of wands, sun, and eight of swords. You know what, Scorpios, I feel that you guys are trapped in some situation. See, this is no joke. Eight of swords here, and we have the eight of swords again. So I think you guys are confused about something. You are stuck in a mess right now. This could be in your personal life, this could be in your career. As I said, there is some responsibilities that you have, like, you feel burdened right now, Scorpio. So you're going through a lot right now. You don't know what to do in your life. You are stuck. You don't see any help. You don't see any way out. I see you guys in a mess right now. You don't know the way forward. You're very much stuck somewhere. Okay, you really need help. You really need help in this situation. I think this person doesn't understand that. They don't understand that you are going through a lot right now in your personal life, which is why maybe your attention is not there in this relationship on this person. This could be an emotional pain, this could be physical pain. Some of you, maybe you are struggling with your health. Okay, maybe you are recovering, you are having some health issues. For the others of you, this could be financial pressure. You're going through a lot, like lot of responsibilities. You don't know the way out. You're stuck. This is a very difficult phase, Scorpio. I wouldn't wish it for my worst enemy. This is a difficult phase. Some of you, you're literally going through a lot in your life. But one thing that I see, do you see we have the eight of swords and sun? Things are going to just change for you, Scorpios. Things are going to change for you miraculously. You will not even expect. You're going to see a change in your life right now. Things are going to change in your life. There is going to be a miracle in your life. You see eight of swords with the sun. Expect a miracle, a magic. Like there is a divine intervention. You're going to come out of this energy, Scorpios, very soon. Okay, you're stuck somewhere. I know, I agree. But a divine hand is going to pull you out from this phase. Do you see? You're going to come out of this situation to this like a fresh new start, new beginning. You're going to be in a very, very happy phase. You're going to heal. You see this? A lot of healing, emotional healing, physical healing. This relationship is going to heal. Okay, your relationship will get better with time. Things are going to improve. It's just a matter of time, Scorpio. You are going through a deep mess right now, but this is temporary. Okay, don't worry, this is just temporary. Expect a miracle very soon. Expect a miracle, a divine intervention. God is going to come and help you somehow to come out of this situation, Scorpio. Okay, Three of Pentacles. Yes, I feel that in some cases there is somebody who is trying to influence you a lot in your life, Scorpios. This could be somebody in your family also. Like you are stuck because of a family member. You are stuck because of a family member. Could be that somebody is trying to manipulate you against this person. Be careful. Okay, someone is trying to manipulate you against this person, or be careful, somebody is trying to stop you from going forward in this relationship with this person. Now this is not for all of you, but yes, I do see that. So somebody is trying to come in between you and this person. So this could be a family member who doesn't want you to be with this person. This could be your parents, this could be your mother, father, a friend, a colleague, I don't know. Somebody is against this relationship, because of which also you could be in this situation. Okay, you want to take action but you can't, like you're stuck somewhere. So let's see what's coming up for you guys in love next. So let's see what's coming up for you guys in love next. What's coming up for you guys? Oh my god, 10 of Pentacles. Wow, this is such a beautiful card. This is such a beautiful card. 10 of Pentacles. See, you guys are going to come back together, have a good time very soon. All your issues are temporary, Scorpios. Just hang on. Things are going to get better for you, okay? You guys are going to get married. Some of you, this could be that you're going to have some good family time with this person. You're going to spend some good time with this person very soon. Things are going to get sought between both of you. All right? Let's see something else. What's coming up for my Scorpios? Hermit mode. Yes, some of you, you may be heading towards spirituality. Like you could be doing some research, you could be studying some spiritual books, you could be introspecting about this relationship in general, like, you know. So I see you in the hermit mode where you're thinking a lot about how to take this forward, what to do in this relationship, to improve this relationship, to improve your equation with this person. So yes, things are going to get better between both of you. Don't worry. Okay? Whatever it is temporary. Whatever it is temporary. Things are going to get better between both of you. Any message for my Scorpios? What's coming up next? What's coming up? So many cards. 3 of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, 6 of Swords, 3 of Wands. See, I'm getting the same message. You guys are worried a lot about this relationship. You guys are worried a lot about career. Whatever it is, you guys are going to come towards calmer water very soon. Okay? There is reconciliation if you both are not talking to each other. Things are going to get better between both of you. Don't worry. Whatever you are going through is temporary. All right, we'll see your person's next action towards you. Your person's next action towards you. Okay. Knight of Swords, my God, they're going to come rushing to you. 2 of Pentacles, Temperance. They are ready to put in efforts in this relationship. Yes, this person is juggling you. I said they are having two thoughts, negative and positive. But this person is trying to balance the situation. You're dealing with somebody who's very wise. Okay, so they are going to get clarity very soon about you and about this relationship in general. So they are not going anywhere. This person is going to put in efforts very soon. Okay, they're going to work on this relationship very soon. See, they're not going anywhere. They're coming towards you. They're going to rush in to come, communicate, talk. All right. Yes, this person is confused between two thoughts. I told you, they are juggling you with two things. Like at times they feel they're confused, like they may be comparing you with their ex. Could be anything. Okay, as I see here, they are comparing you with their ex, but this is just a phase. Let them be there. That's okay. It's okay to go through that phase. They are in some process. Let them go through it. That is their journey. This is their job. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, eventually the outcome is this person is coming towards you. They are going to work on this relationship. Whatever it is, they are going to work on this relationship. All right. They're going to get clarity about you very soon. They're going to get some clarity about you very soon. Clarity in the sense they will realize that they have been doubting on you unnecessarily. They will fall in love with you slowly and slowly, Scorpios. This person is going to take time to fall in love with you. Okay, so you'll have to be patient. That's the message. Be patient. This person is going to fall in love with you slowly and slowly. This person could be very slow in life. Maybe you're dealing with somebody who's very slow. They take forever to trust somebody, something like this. Look at this. Knight of Cups and Knight of Cups. You both are going to meet and talk and discuss, have heart-to-heart conversation very soon. Things are going to get better between both of you. Don't worry. It's all temporary. Make the effort. What did I just say? What did I just say? You both will have to talk. Like, you could be paying more attention to your career or somebody else right now. So you are being asked to put efforts in this relationship on this person. Okay, they are going to do their part at the right time. You too are being asked to put efforts in this relationship. Don't give up on this person. You both are divinely connected, so don't give up on this person. Okay, Scorpios, let's see if we have any other message. I'm sorry for the sound, guys. I don't know what's going on behind, but any other message for my Scorpios? Any other message? Any other message for my Scorpios? Let's see if we have any other message. I don't think I have a message here. Let me take this. Any message for my Scorpios? Please give me a message. Any message for my Scorpios here? Don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo. A win-win outcome is forecast, and believe in the impossible. See, what did I just say? This person wants a lot of love from you, but you are somebody who cannot do much. Okay, like, that's your nature. There's nothing wrong. You could be a Leo, you could be a Taurus, you could be a Capricorn, you could be any sun sign, but for most of you, you could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, you could be a Gemini, Sagittarius. So you're being asked to open up. Like, if you love this person, show that you love them. Okay, don't let pride get in your way. I said that this person compares you with an ex or somebody else in their life. So this person feels, oh, you know, my Scorpio doesn't love me the way my ex used to. My Scorpio doesn't show emotions the way my ex. So they keep comparing you with somebody else, which is why things are slow in your relationship right now, which is why this person is hesitant, or there is this small distance that has come between both of you. That is one. Believe in the impossible. Some of you, you have lost hope. You feel now this relationship is just not possible. You feel that this relationship is impossible. It's not going to happen. No. Believe in the impossible. That's the message for you. Right when you think that things are getting over, this relationship will get revived. You see, a Judgment, Magician. A win-win outcome is forecast. So definitely, don't you worry. You are worried a lot. Some of you, I see you worrying a lot about this situation. So don't worry. I think this is just a temporary phase. I'm very sure this is a temporary phase. Alright, this happens. These are just the general ups and downs in your relationship. It's just very normal. Every couple goes through this in their normal life. Okay, so don't you worry. Just put in efforts. You're being asked to put efforts in this relationship. You don't give up. Okay, don't give up. And if you can, show some love to this person. I don't know, you're dealing with somebody who is emotionally broken internally. They may not tell you, but you're dealing with somebody who needs love right now. Okay, Scorpio, this person needs love. So maybe you are being asked to open up. You're being asked to show your emotions. I don't know, this person has had a difficult past. I don't know, I'm getting this message again and again internally. This person is somebody who has been through a lot of lately. They need some sort of healing. Okay, they need some sort of healing, emotional healing. So you are being asked to be there for this person. Let them know that you are there for them. Once this person falls in love with you, they will move heaven and earth to be with you. Okay, they just need some time. I think this person is healing emotionally. Okay, they've had a difficult past, I feel. They may not tell you, but this person has had a difficult past recently. Okay, as far as sun signs are concerned, I see an Aries here, I see Aquarius, I see Libra, I have a Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Sun signs could be any, because this is a general reading, but these sun signs are very prominent here. Okay, we have a Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I have all the sun signs here. I need not say also. All right, I have all the sun signs. Okay, so that was that, guys. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, do like, share, subscribe, and let me know how did this resonate with you. Okay, so you guys, thanks for watching. You guys take care, be safe, bye.